Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Tuesday, October 30, 2012. Well, a change of trend today, and the candle has made a higher high and a higher low. Quite a shift in momentum today, a fairly large white body candle. It's been quite some time since we've seen a white body of this size, and it does suggest that there may have been a significant swing of momentum to the buyers here. The large body denotes the buyers making a solid amount of net bullish progress, and the buyers have managed to close the market up between the midpoint level and the high, suggesting that they've closed with control, although a moderate level of control, not strong control. And that's basically because we saw the market reject from the 129.68 area. You can see the shadow on the top of this body of this candle, and the market tested above this area. I suggested that that was a very strong area of potential resistance. It coincided with the area that the Kijun-sen was trading at, the pink line here, and we can see that that's flat there. And also we've tested up towards the Tenkan-sen as well, just above there, and the market has been rejected from there. So moving forward tomorrow, that is a very, very important area of resistance. By the same token, we also discussed yesterday the strong support down below where the market was trading, and for the past 2 days prior to today, and now 3 days in a row, the market's tested down to around this 128.80 area and found support, found buying coming in, and today again. And we have the influence of the top of the cloud here exerting itself, and also the support area, a previous strong area at 128.57, and some strong buying coming in today. But having said that, we have this market bound by strong resistance and strong support. So whether we get resolution to this situation soon is debatable. Any downside breakout down below 128.57 will see the market trading within the cloud, and the support offered by the cloud extends a long way down to around the 125.86 level, and the resistance overhead is very strong too. We also saw the market interacting with the trend line here over the past few days, and this strong price rejection from there today does suggest that the market may be bound for higher levels. We do have a target at the top of the trend channel at the moment that's sitting up above all of this strong resistance, up around above the 132 level. So debatable whether the market will make it up there anytime soon. We do have quite a few levels of strong resistance overhead. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and now that the market is trending up, we can draw a new analysis for our Fibonacci extension. We're examining the relationship of the new current first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and here we see strong price rejection from the 100% level. And that 100% level coincides with that area between the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which will be strong resistance, and we've been rejected from there. So there is technically potential for a change of trend to the downside, but as I've already mentioned, solid support below. So where this market will go, if there is a change of trend to the downside, is not really clear because of the solid support. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we've had strong price rejection from above the 61.8% level here, and also the market has closed just above the 50% level, but rejection from the 61.8% level is significant. There is potential for a change of trend, but as I've said once again, if there is that change of trend, the market has solid support down below, and there aren't any really strong targets that we have at the moment down below there. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously we have a bullish market in big picture terms, and that's quite significant that the market still is trading up above the cloud, so the market is bullish in that long-term time frame, but the market remains negative or bearish in the fast term and medium term time frames. We're trading below the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, the fast term, and the Kijun-sen, the pink line here, the medium term time frame. The market has been attracted back towards the flat Kijun-sen, and that happens very often and has been rejected from there, and these indicators will hold as potential areas of support and resistance. And here previously, when we saw the Kijun-sen holding as support, now we see it acting as resistance, as was the Tenkan-sen fairly recently. So we do need to watch those two indicators for tomorrow's trading, and as this current candle is developing, it looks as though it is interacting with the Tenkan-sen at the moment and the Kijun-sen, and there is a strong possibility of downside price rejection. But basically a market that's really caught between strong overhead resistance and strong support down below. very hard to trade a market like this. We could see this market moving sideways, and we could hug the top of the cloud for quite some time and bounce off there, but no clear direction in this market at the moment.